malome.
And then wa di rapanela moo go dirile
Wa tseba ke lapile ntwa nngwe ke neng ke penta.
he o pentelang
O ska kwata ne. Gape I decided to paint the SA flag every time South Africa wins something. Unfortunately, ke feletše ke space ka kwanto.
o feletse ke space ga botse gore reng mona
Bona kwa.
motlogolo o diile
Tada!
o pentile ntlo ka moka
Yes. Gape rata ra winner yong. Race Springbok se donara New Zealand ke di Olympic medals, AFCON medals, Paralympic medals, World Championship medals. Go no shalla ruine oxygen ya planet.
wa tseba re keng o berekile motlogolo
Hey man, wa e rata. Nna ke re o tla kwata.
a ka e festana and to think be ke organizer ga ba tla ba tshwarele final ya MTN 8 ka motlhogong yago cause be ke nagana go empty
A ke a zama malome. That's why ke lapile so. Bielo ke nako ya gore ke rest wa bona.
not a chance you can't stop now gape the MTN win-win summer campaign is back idio bona go do dial *142# to opt in wa reka data ya 1 gig or more o stand a chance ya go wina a share of 75 million rand. That's a lot of winning and painting. We go win so much. Our trophy and medal room, it only needs 16 business days to explore. Refill up and tomo. Kisa go nyaka the overall attack.
But malome, nna ke lapile ne re feletše ke maboto.
Ke ba re le maboto gane. Re tlo sonna go panta strata se mo sha.
Strata? Aowa malome, that's not a good idea.
Wa tseba re keng? You are absolutely right motlogolo. Go panta strata ke mebereko wa mabimpane. Step ladder se kae?
Step ladder for what?
Re tlo sonna go panta kwa maru. I don't know. Square root of pi. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Wakanga.
Dial *142# to opt in. Buy 1 gig of data or more and stand a chance to win your share of 75 million rand. It's a winning summer for a winning nation.